So the first thing I'm going to do is to print out the recipe here on my printer and then get to it. So here I'm just mixing my oil to the cold, and the oil I just warmed up, mixing up the lye. So you just want to make sure that you have your gears on. I have a gloves, respirator and a long sleeve here, and then I'm going to mix everything until I get the right texture and the right trace. Here I am going to separate the batch in two because I want two colors. It's a really easy recipe, just two colors, easy to do home for your first cold process soap. For the coloring I am using spirulina. It's just for me more natural, a little bit cheaper than all the mica powders and everything. I just wanted to keep it natural with something I could easily find. And so it's gonna give you like that beautiful green that you see at the end. So I'm mixing it until I get the color I want. It was not dark enough, so I added a little bit more here at the end. Don't forget to note that on your recipe as well if you're changing some stuff. And here again, mixing and mixing and mixing. Now that I got the texture how I wanted, I'm gonna pour it into the mold. So here I'm having it sideways because I wanted another design at first, and that's made me change my mind about it. I don't know, I just changed my mind. I'm pretty happy I did because I like the design at the end. So just pour in a straight mold. Here for the second color, so the one we didn't add any color in it, I'm just gonna pour it like really simply in the middle of the mold, like really easy. There's nothing fancy about it. I didn't want to make my life too complicated for that one. I like simple design, so I just poured in the middle of the mold and back and forward in a straight line. For the top, I just used a spoon and went from each side, from the outside to the inside. I don't know if that makes sense. And I just did that a couple of times until I got the texture. I like it to, the top to be a little bit off center. So I just did that, as you can see here, and then add lavender on the top. I don't add too much. I don't like stuff floating in my shower, but just enough to make it pretty. And when you use the soap, you can always like scrape that thing off. It's just on the top, so it's easy to pull off. And here we are 2 days later. I really love the color, I love the design, I really love everything about that soap, and the smell is just like so amazing. Unisex, can go for everybody, are really strong. So when I pour my fragrance oil, I actually divided by 2 because the amount I was planning on was too strong. So here I'm cutting the soap. I got the mold and this on Amazon. I will get you the link down below. So the cable was not straight enough, so I had a little bit of struggle on the first cut, but then I changed it and that's fine. So that's the design you're gonna get just by a simple pour. So you will see It's easy to pour and you get a great design at the end, so really easy peasy soap to do. I really like it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up the edge. So you can leave it like that if you like a bit of a rough looking. I honestly don't mind. I just wanted to try some cleaner edges. So I'm going to take, you know, the thing you use to grill the potatoes or whatever you have in your kitchen. Don't use the same. Get a new one, $1 store, anything like that. And you're just gonna go and cut the edges, and that's gonna give you a soap that looks all clean and professional. I really hope you liked that soap. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I see you in the next one.